The night of power, Laylat al-Qadr, is the blessed night in which Allah revealed the Qur'an to the heart of Prophet Muhammad through divine revelation. It was not merely a collection of words but a light and a spiritual message that serves as a source of guidance until the day of judgment. The Holy Quran declares Laylat al-Qadr as the sacred night when divine guidance was revealed. Indeed, we sent it, the Quran, down during the night of decree. And what can make you know what the night of decree is? The night of decree is better than 1,000 months. The angels and the Spirit, Jibreel, descend therein by permission of their Lord for every matter. Peace it is until the emergence of dawn. The Quran, Surah al-Qadr. This blessed night, Surah ad-Dukhan, marks the descent of the Quran as the Holy Spirit, Ruha, into the heart of the Prophet, signifying something beyond mere text. The three stages of the revelation of the Quran. Number 1. Spiritual revelation, book. The Quran was first revealed to the heart of the Prophet in the form of light and spirit. The trustworthy Spirit has brought it down upon your heart so that you may be among the warners. Surah Ash-Shura. Number 2. Prophetic expression, Tanzeel. The Prophet conveyed this revelation through parables and in the Arabic language. These are the verses of the clear book. Indeed, we have sent it down as an Arabic Quran so that you may understand. Surah Yusuf. Number 3. Written form. The Quran was later compiled into a book, but its true essence is light and guidance. Surah Al-An'am. And they did not appraise Allah with true appraisal when they said, Allah did not reveal anything to a human being. Say, who then revealed the book that Moses brought as a light and guidance for the people? You make it into separate sheets, disclosing some of it and concealing much. And you were taught that which you knew not, neither you nor your forefathers. Say, Allah revealed it, then leave them in their discourse, amusing themselves. Surah Al-An'am. On Laylat al-Qadr, the Prophet became the embodiment of the Quran. And thus we have revealed to you a spirit of our command. You did not know what the book was, nor what faith was, but we made it a light by which we guide whom we will of our servants. And indeed, you guide to the straight path. Surah Ash-Shura. Your spiritual state reflected the essence of the Quran, as mentioned in your final sermon. I am leaving behind two things among you, and if you hold on to them firmly, you will never go astray after me. One of them is greater than the other, the book of Allah and my progeny, my al-Bayt family. These two shall never be separated from each other until they reach me at the pond of Kawthar. So beware of how you treat them after me. Open Book Jami, Al-Tirmidhi, Hadith No. 3788, Chapter on the Virtues of al-Bayt, Wall 5, page 662. The Imams, successors of the Prophet and bearers of the living spirit of the Quran. Imam Ali, I am the meaning of Ramzan, I am Laylat al-Qadr, I am al-Kitāb. Through me, the one who is doomed perishes, and through me, the one who is saved attains salvation. I am the purpose of prayer and fasting, I am the standing and the bowing, I am the pillar of faith, I am the word of Allah, I am His proof, and I am His straight path. I am the strong rope that has no break. I am the one who fulfills rights and spreads knowledge. I am the master of paradise and hell. I am the lamp of guidance. I am the sign of the prophets. I am the proof for those who are bewildered. I am the ultimate reality of the universe. I am the first and the last, the manifest and the hidden. I am the hidden mystery within the essence of Allah. I am His command. I am His secret. And I am His proof. Open Book Khutbat al-Iftikhar. Imam Jafar al-Sadiq. Abu Basir narrates that he once asked Imam Jafar al-Sadiq, "Who are you?" The Imam replied, "We are the proofs of Allah, we are the gate of Allah, we are the tongue of Allah, we are the face of Allah, we are His eye among His creation, and we are the guardians of His command among His servants." Then he further said, Jibreel used to come to the Prophet, but the Holy Spirit never separates from us. Open Book Basair al-Darjat. Imam Sultan Muhammad Shah. Through the light of the Holy Spirit, every person can attain Christ-like power. Open Book Memoirs of the Aga Khan. The guidance of the Imams is like that of the Prophet, because the Imam himself is the book of God. Shams Tabrizi. Laylat al-Qadr, a universal spiritual state. Laylat al-Qadr, a symbol of readiness for divine light. Esoterically or mystically, Laylat al-Qadr is understood as a reference to the soul of the Holy Prophet. Exoterically, it is perceived as the revelation of specific verses of the Qur'an upon the Prophet's heart, but esoterically, it signifies the descent of the true essence of the Qur'an into the Prophet's heart. This interpretation points to the hidden spiritual power in the Prophet's soul, which was in a state of absolute receptivity. Applying this to spiritual pursuit, it can be said that every soul must transform itself into a kind of Laylat al-Qadr, that is, it should empty itself of egotism and worldly impurities to become fully receptive to divine illumination. The goal is for a person to become an empty vessel, ready to receive divine grace. Reja Shah Kazemi, Spiritual Quest, Reflections on Qur'anic Prayer in the Teachings of Imam Ali, page hash 73 to 74.